Direct export from Google Scholar to EndNote or EndNote Online, Windows. Google Scholar records can be imported into either EndNote on the desktop or EndNote Online, if you install the EndNote plugin for Internet Explorer. Installing this plugin will enable direct export to EndNote Online for the Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge browsers. This plugin will not work with Firefox. For this example, I am using Chrome and it is set as my default browser. In EndNote, select EndNote Online from the Help menu. This will take you to the EndNote Online login screen if you are not already logged in. Log into your EndNote Online account. Click the Downloads tab. I want to download a file I can use to install the plugin on multiple computers, so I select the Download Windows MSI option. When the file has downloaded, locate it on your computer and double-click on it. The installer will show a message that it is searching for installed applications. This may take some time. When it has finished searching, click the Next button. Enter your personal information. Click the Next button. Then click the Next button again, unless your school or company has told you they use a special configuration. Click Next in the Select Destination window. If EndNote is installed on your computer, do not install the site while you write files. They are already included in EndNote. Click the Next button and continue clicking Next whenever the installation pauses to require it. When the installation is complete, click the Finish button. In Google Scholar, click the Options button. Click the Settings button. Here you can change the number of results per page and other options. Set the Bibliography Manager to show links to import citations into RefMan. This will allow references to be imported into EndNote Online, as well as EndNote on the desktop. Click the Save button. Perform your search in Google Scholar, and set your preferred options. To import a reference, click the Import into RefMan link under the reference. What happens next may vary depending on your browser. In Chrome, click the small arrow next to the downloaded citation file, at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select the Open option to open just this file. Or always open files of this type, if you want Google Scholar files automatically opened in the future. Because the plugin is installed, you can choose to send the reference to your EndNote desktop library, or to your EndNote Online library. For this reference I select EndNote Online, then click the OK button. I fill in my EndNote Online logon credentials. If I am not already logged in, then click the OK button. Click OK when you see the confirmation message. The reference will appear in the Unfiled group in EndNote Online. To import a reference to EndNote on the desktop, click Import into RefMan. Click the small arrow by the downloaded citation file. Then open. Choose EndNote as the destination. Click the OK button. The reference will appear in the Imported References group. Google Scholar references are incomplete, missing the abstract, DOI, and more. For many references, EndNote can find this missing information and update it. This feature is only available on the desktop. Select the reference in the list. Select Find Reference Updates from the References menu. If a match for the reference is found, EndNote will display the reference found online in the left of this window, and the reference in the EndNote library on the right. Choose Update Empty Fields to fill in only the blanks in the original record, or Update All Fields to override all the fields in the original record with the data found online. The data found online will come from either PubMed or the Web of Science, both professional databases, with reliable data. Click the OK button. You will now see complete data in your EndNote record.